Another drone down. Houthis challenge U.S. power in Yemen. The skies over Yemen are once again a battleground. Houthi rebels claim they have shot down another American drone. This is not the first time they have made this claim. It is a dangerous game of cat and mouse. The Houthis want to show they can strike at American power. The U.S. relies on drones for intelligence and airstrikes. Each drone lost is a blow to their mission. Yemen's long war, a breeding ground for drone hunters. Yemen has been torn apart by civil war for years. The Houthis are a powerful rebel group. They control much of the country, including the capital. They are fighting the Yemeni government. The government is backed by a Saudi-led coalition. The U.S. supports the coalition. It is a complicated and messy conflict. The Houthis have become skilled at fighting drones. They have shot down several American drones in recent years. They boast of their victories. They use a mix of weapons. Some are old, some are new, some may be from Iran. It is a reminder that even the most advanced militaries are vulnerable. The MQ-9 Reaper, America's eye in the sky, now under threat. The MQ-9 Reaper is a fearsome weapon. It is a drone, unmanned and controlled remotely. It can fly for hours, high above the battlefield. It can carry missiles and bombs. It is used for surveillance. It is used for targeted killings. It is a key part of America's wars in the Middle East. Each Reaper costs tens of millions of dollars. Losing one is expensive. It is also a propaganda victory for the enemy. The Houthis use these victories to rally support. They say it shows America is not invincible. A cloud of uncertainty surrounds the latest incident, with conflicting reports and missing evidence. The Houthis claim they shot down the drone over Hodeidah, a port city on Yemen's west coast. However, the U.S. says the drone went down over the Red Sea. It's possible the Houthis are lying, as they have exaggerated their successes before. On the other hand, it's also possible the U.S. is trying to downplay the incident. Without clear evidence, it's hard to know what really happened. The stakes are high, and the loss of another drone has serious implications. It demonstrates the vulnerability of U.S. power and emboldens the Houthis and their allies. This incident raises important questions about the future of the drone war in Yemen. The U.S. may need to change its tactics, reduce its reliance on drones, and find new ways to counter the Houthi threat. The conflict in Yemen is far from over.